सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल की मखसूस नशस्तों से मुतालिक दरखास्त पर समाअत जारी है। अटॉर्नी जनरल दलाइल दे रहे हैं। मंसूर अवान ने कहा, असम्बलियों की नशस्तें आम इंतखाबात और फिर मखसूस नशस्तों से मुकम्मल की जाती हैं। असम्बलियों में नशस्तों को मुकम्मल करना ज़रूरी है। आइन का मकसद ख़ातीन गैर मुसलमानों को नुमाइंदगी देना है। असम्बली में नशस्तें मुकम्मल नहीं होंगी तो आइन का मकसद पूरा नहीं होगा। मखसूस नशस्तों से मुतालिक फार्मूला फिक्स है और तब्दील नहीं होता।
इलेक्शन कमीशन ने अगर हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है उन्हें
तो बात किसी ने रेज भी नहीं।
मैं सिर्फ आपको सिंपल ये बता रहा हूँ कि जो प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन सिस्टम ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जनरल सीट्स is to be worked out to ensure that all 60 seats are filled in, and the only method to do it is to exclude the independents, but for what is provided in the proviso.
So let me ask you,
who have joined
a political party, they add to the tally of political parties, rest of them have to be excluded, otherwise the seats will not be filled.
So when in a situation like the present one, when there are more independents and there is confusion over the status of those independents, those those seats will all be excluded, because at the end of the day it's the election commission that said that these people are independents, and it's the election commission that declared that they cannot join a political, and that SIC is not a political party. So as per your formula, once the election commission has declared all of this, all these seats now are to be excluded, and only the seats of which members are those independents that have joined a political party that you are including. I mean, वो calculations तो है नहीं हमारे सामने. And it appears that then the formula is left in the hands of the election commission to do as they choose. जिसको independent बना दे, किसी को political party बना दे, because that's what we've been hearing over the last 2 days.
उसका जवाब भी आ जाएगा आपको. एक चीज मैं complete करके then I'll respond to this question.
क्या independents ने उस इलेक्शन कमीशन का फैसला चैलेंज किया या उन्होंने खुद एप्लीकेशन दी कि वो इंडिपेंडेंट?
नो सर, द इंडिपेंडेंट्स सामने है भी. उनका केस तो ये है that we had joined a political party under the proviso, and that political party should be treated, and by virtue of joining that political party,
उन इंडिपेंडेंट में से कोई आया हमारे सामने?
नहीं आया सर, and दो consequences वो आपसे मांग रहे हैं. जो दो बात हुई है, the case as made out and set out before you. One is
आप इसमें आए, ये जो आप हमें पेज 16 पे पैरा 22 दिखा रहे हैं. Now, if I understand, I've read your para, and of the 4 seats are reserved for women in Balochistan province. If I understand your para correctly, 2 go to PMLN and 2 go to JUIP. Is that right?
No, sir. No. 2 go to PMLN, 1 goes to JUI, and 1 goes to People's Party. And the reason for that is that ठीक. मैं जो अभी आपके सामने जो केस सेट आउट हुआ है वो ये है कि these independents, they claim to have joined a political party, and they have requested or asked your lordships to overturn Peshawar High Court's judgment, because by joining this political party their status as an independent ceases to exist, and consequently Sunni Ittehad Council claims that by virtue of these independents joining Sunni Ittehad Council now becomes entitled to reserve seats, and the logical consequence of that is that because according to them, because they are no more independents, therefore for the purposes of working out percentage share of each political party, Rule 95(2)'s proviso will kick in as opposed to the rule itself, which is the independents should not be excluded for the purposes of working out that formula on the basis of which proportional representation is to be worked out. If you take the example of, and on the basis of a hypothetical, that if their case is accepted as it is, there are still 8 members who have retained independent status. Now, going by what Justice Shah has observed, that why exclude independents? Where is this coming from? You look at, and I'm now just making a province-neutral sort of example. We'll have to go into the exact numbers, which is to say that how many of these 8 belong to which province, and it will have a consequence over the seats which are allocated to each province. But let's assume that the total is 266, the general seats. And 8 members have retained independent status.
इसमें अगर sorry, I want to raise this question because I'm not getting, I think calculation